Welcome back to Unstructured Wisdom, the channel dedicated to explore the power of unstructured data and helping small business owners harness its potential. I'm Anand, and today we are diving into a pressing issue faced small business owners, the overwhelming flood of text data and how text summarization driven by natural language processing techniques can be their solution. Small business owners are confronted with a formidable problem. First thing is about information overload. There is just too much of text data to handle. Reading and comprehending all of it is time consuming and impractical. Lost insights. Valuable insights are buried in lengthy documents or scattered across multiple sources, making it difficult to identify critical information. Third point is about resource constraints. Small businesses may not have dedicated teams or resources for comprehensive data analysis. Why these kind of issues are happening for small business owners? This problem has intensified because of the proliferation of online communication channels. Customer reviews, social media posts, industry reports have gone exponential. Small businesses are often drowning in the sea of text data, unable to efficiently extract valuable nuggets of information. Solutions. There will be a number of solutions to a problem, and here we're going to solve the problem using text summarization and NLP technique. By solving through text summarization, a small business owner can avail a lot of benefits like efficient information extraction. Text summarization techniques can automatically identify and extract the most critical information from lengthy text. Second point about this time and resource savings. Small business owners can save valuable time and resources by simply gaining insights from large volume of text data. Third is about informed decision making. Summarized text provide actionable intelligence, enabling faster and data-driven decision making. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how a business owner can utilize NLP-driven text summarization to address these challenges heads-on. You will witness firsthand how text summarization can transform your approach to handling text data, providing your business with a competitive edge. Okay, now what we're gonna do is about this doing a text summarization. We'll go deep into the actions. Text summarization can be broadly categorized into two main types. One is with extractive summarization and another is with abstractive summarization. What we'll do is we will go with each one example. We will try to put those things in action and we'll try to get a summarization technique. First, we will delve into extractive summarization. Extractive summarization is nothing but what it will do is it will extract the sentence and phrases directly from the input text, okay, by identifying the relevant and important concepts which is over there in the text, and it will try to get the short form of this. One good package what we have about is SUMMIS LSE, latent semantic analysis. This will do the extractive summarization properly. Now we'll go deep into it. First we need to install the package SUMMI. Then what we have to do is we have to import all these parser, the tokenizer, and also the latent LSE summarizer. So for all these things, this is the text which I am going to give for the summarization. After that, we have to invoke the tokenizer. Tokenizer is nothing but it will cut short into all these each, say for example, all these natural language processing will be cutting into each word, and then it will give it as an input to the summarizer. So that is what we are going to do here. So now here see those informations has been fed in, and when we execute it, here you got the output. It says here like all this has been summarized and we can able to get the output of it. Just see, all these are summarization. This is one of the techniques for extractive summarization. Now what we will do is we will go and deeper into this abstractive summarization. Abstractive summarization aims to generate a summary in a way like it will understand the entire text and it will give its own format of summarization. This is so what it will do is it will capture the essence of the original text and gives its own summarization. Here we have a good example using Hugging Face transformers. Since this is a T5 model, where we have a pre-trained model with the T5 so that it will give the abstractive summarization properly. The same thing, we need to install transformers for this. From the transformers we have to get this T5 for conditional generation and also a tokenizer. The same way, what we have to do is we have to load the model, we have to load the tokenizer, and then the next thing is that we have to feed into the tokenizer and get the summary. So now we will see into this action. It takes some more time. It's completed. Now you see, you can able to get the output of it, the summarization properly, and it just generates it whatever we like. So this is what the extractive and abstractive summarization in detail. Thank you. By implementing text summarization using NLP techniques, small business owners can expect increased efficiency, quickly process and comprehend vast amounts of text data, freeing up time for strategic planning and customer engagement. Competitive advantage: stay ahead of competitors by staying informed about industry trends, customer sentiments, and emerging opportunities. Informed strategies: base business strategies on summarized insights, leading to better customer service and growth. Join us on this journey to unlock the potential of text summarization for your small businesses. Don't forget to subscribe Unstructured Wisdom and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials and tips. Thank you very much for your valuable time.